downloaded PartyMeister because you want to bring your celebration to the next level. Involve your guests and have photos they take live with their smartphones appear on a big screen TV. Well, I'm going to help you get that all set up. First thing we want to do is turn on the TV and make sure that it's connected to the same wireless network as your phone. This way, the app and the television can communicate. Now, I'm going to open up the PartyMeister app on my phone. If you haven't downloaded the app already, you can get it from www.partymeister.app or look for it on the App Store. I'm going to open up PartyMeister, and since I'm hosting this party, I'm going to hit Host Party. And here, we have to decide what we're going to call this party. I'm going to say Best Party Ever. And now I'm going to hit Let's Go. Now, how many guests am I expecting? Well, I'm very popular, so I think I'm going to have over 100 guests. So I'm selecting that. Now let's come up with a personal message. We have some pre-written messages here if you're not feeling too creative, but I am. So I'm going to say, welcome to the best party in the world. And look, we have all these different backgrounds we can choose, but I'm going to go for this one for now. Now we need a few photos just to get us going. So in this case, these are going to be selfies of me. And we have our 3 photos. Now it's time to connect the phone to the television. So I see my TV is appearing right here on my app. But if you're not seeing your TV, that might mean the TV is not connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. So just make sure that your phone and the TV are on the same network. So I see it here, the Samsung, and I'm going to tap Connect. Woohoo! Your party is all set up, so let's start the party. Now this might take a little time as it gets going. What it's doing, it's actually setting up the party. It's building it up, putting it on a server so everybody can participate. But there we go. It's ready to go, and in just a few seconds, it's going to appear on the television. And there we have it. My big smiling mug is on the TV. So that means the party is going, and I can just add more photos. I can hit upload, I can take another picture, and that photo will appear on the TV as well. And what's particularly great is that anybody at the party can scan the QR code and join in on the fun. They don't need to download another app, they scan it and send their own pictures straight on over. And then maybe you're wondering, well, what if they send weird photos? Well, don't worry, we have a whole moderation feature. So you can decide what pictures go up, or you can have someone else do it because you just want to feel like dancing. And there you have it. That's how you get PartyMeister set up. It was really easy. I downloaded the app, I made sure the TV and the phone were on the same Wi-Fi network, I followed the steps, I got the app going, I set up the event, and then my guests could just scan the QR code. They didn't need to download anything. They could just go through a website, log in, and upload their own photos. And then you, every few minutes or so, just check through the pictures and approve them. If you don't feel like doing that, have someone else do it, and you can enjoy the celebrations. So enjoy your party, enjoy involving your guests, and making this the celebration worth remembering.